Realme confirms first premium flagship is coming. Renders and specs leak. First premium, they don't, I guess, that's right. I guess they don't. Premium flagship seems to imply it's going to be expensive. Mm-hmm. Maybe because it's always been a budget-friendly brand and then their previous products haven't met that criteria. They confirmed the phone and its premium status. But now we know exactly what to expect. It's a very bizarre camera unit. It's kind of pixely.
I chose this story because of the look of it.
Yeah, it's kind of pixely with the visor look, which who knows, could be a whole new trend in the space.
Is it top heavy?
Is it top heavy? Is it top?
I try to be sophisticated there.
Is it top heavy?
It looks very top heavy.
I could get used to that, Will.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
right. That was, I never saw that come from you before.
Yeah, I'm playing some sketches here. Just having fun, you know?
Yeah. What inspired you?
Well, this.
Oh.
Yeah.
You took one look at it.
Sure. Yeah.
And you turned British.
Yeah.
Very well. Yeah, look, man, there's only so many ways to slather these slabs. You know? What are you going to put? Where are you going to put it? What reasons do you have for doing so? I think when I saw this phone, I was like, yeah, that's pretty distinct. But
the Pixel 6 Pro.
Then I should have known immediately that there were going to be other phones that would have a similar style, because that's just how it goes in the space, right?
Like a visor style.
Yeah, because everyone's running out of spots to put these things in, trying to make distinctive looking phones. That one has a kind of robotic, maybe even more so than this. That might even be more robot-y, the way the curve comes up to meet the camera.
Yeah.
And they've also got it closer to the very top of the phone. So for sure, that thing's going to be a ramp when it's on its back.
Right.
It's going to lean quite a bit from bottom to top. But
I guess it doesn't rock, right? Since it's just going to be
I don't think
flat,
it's going to rock.
So
yeah, I don't think it's going to rock side to side. Just ramp.
Good.
Ramp. And actually maybe like a pleasing ramp when it's sitting on the table if you use it. Because then it's kind of facing you a little bit.
Yeah,
like
it has a nicer angle.
Ramp to it. All right, let's read some more about it. What does it say? Okay, the Realme GT2 Pro will be the company's first premium flagship and its most premium phone to date. We have leaked renders and specs for the phone. If the rumors prove accurate, this would undoubtedly be the most expensive Realme phone ever. So no low price on this one. The upcoming GT2 Pro will change that, according to Sky Lee. Now imagine for a second your name was Sky Lee. Damn.
Is it a boy or a girl?
It
doesn't matter.
Those are best names. You have no idea. Okay. You're like it applies either way. Sky Lee, the founder and CEO of Realme, the GT2 Pro. Wait a second.
As a male.
The GT2 Pro will be the company's first and most premium flagship phone. Unfortunately, Lee didn't divulge any specs or other info on the phone. Thanks to Steve Hemmerstoffer and 91 Mobiles, though, we have some leaked information. Okay, so that's where we get the Snapdragon 898. Woo! 1440p, 6.8-inch OLED, 120 hertz refresh, 50 megapixel primary, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 125 watt wire charging, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 storage, 32 megapixel selfie for $799.
Yeah.
Well, there you go, Will. That's you got you checked the boxes on the list, didn't you?
Impressive.
All right.